The JTC I3 Challenge is a 4-day workshop where we bring together teams of pre-university students to come together to brainstorm and innovate industrial solutions for Singapore's landscape in the future. This year, the students were given a project site, which is the interface area between Cleantech Park and NTU's campus.
This morning, the students actually took a walkabout around NTU and the site itself. They actually managed to walk about a few locations and interviewed some of the students in NTU to actually ask them what they would actually like to see within the developments, to see the linkage between the two.
Once we got off the bus, we were rather uncomfortable with the humid weather, so our facilitators were rather good at getting us on task, which is to illustrate our feelings about the site and about the greenery.
We had fun because our facil actually brought us along and guided us to know more about the area. We talked to very interesting people. We went to understand their needs and what they actually want in the change of the NTU, and that helped us in preparing for our next component for the day. When we came back, we immediately started our preparation for presentation, and so we didn't have a lot of time for lunch, but lunch was very good.
It was a mad rush. We were rushing to prepare all our material, to print out our photos, to rush out our report.
It's actually quite amazing to see these students having such, wild ideas or even brilliant ideas, even though they have no urban planning or architectural design background. So the only thing is maybe some of the ideas may not be so polished, but of course they will actually work on these ideas, and actually I can't wait to see what they will come up with for the site.
All the groups worked very hard, and all their information that they presented were very intellectually stimulating and interesting, and Joshua went along with the flow and provided us some interesting inputs and questioned us to make us think why certain things are done in a certain way, and to open up our minds and broaden our own perspectives.
Although it's only day 2, I thought it's quite useful because it gives us an insight about the daily works of being an architect, and how you never knew that on-site experience is very important.
My team and I believe all the participants are hoping that the next 2 days will be even more enriching and more exciting, with more presentations and more group work.
I will be looking forward to my group building the model. I'm sure we'll have fun and enjoy the next few days.